Alright. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I almost managed to collect the rent for everybody, but because I'm working up to late, one of the guys went to bed, and I couldn't get money from him, so I gotta track him down. No, I'm kidding. I just have to find him and ask him, hey, man, what's up with the money? I have to go and give them to the boss, because he's waiting for it. For them. It's actually them. Because money is plural. It's always plural. Try to find a pumpkin. Then the best new game in southernmaine.com. What am I trying to say? I have no idea. Now that is something that is always fun to do when it's raining. It is always fun to ride in the back of a truck because there is no place for you on the seating side while it's raining. It's ow! Alright, at least we did the whole field. Everything is weed. That thing's picking up. Jesus Christ. Look at that! They made ponds. Welcome. It's made for the new plane. It's a float plane and they need a place to park it. That's the other, for the other plane. Yeah, they have a several. Whatever. In a weather like this, without any rain gear, the first thing that you have to do when you get home or whatever, just when you stop working actually, when you start doing physical activity, take off your clothes. If you have dry ones, change immediately. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I have dirt in my socks. Jesus Christ. That's new. That's a rain jacket. That's not a rain jacket, that's a normal jacket. I found it in the last time I found it. I thought it's a rain jacket and I thought it's a good rain jacket because it had a hood, it had all those straps around and everything, and I thought it's a nice rain jacket. It sucks. I'm not even gonna use it. Look at my shoulders. I'm soaking. I'm not gonna use that thing at all. Oh, let's throw it away. Let's throw it away. I'm so insanely angry. Weather stinks. Sucks. Rah. By the way, that lovely invention over here, a rag above the lamp, is mine. You can't probably see a thing. Let me just illuminate myself. Come on. So yeah, that thing is my invention because the grocery trailer is right over here and that lamp is pointing directly into my window of the bathroom. And he didn't like it, so I put a rag on top of it, and now, well, fixed it fairly nice. Let's go make some sausages. Open that sucker up, please. Thank you. Good night.